1. The machine is suitable for industries of foodstuff, medicine, medical instruments, hardware, electronics, and etc. for packing. 2. The video shows that packed butter into the blister. The speed is about 3600 pcs per hour.